Hello friends, let me hope you are all doing well, my friends. Thanks for watching and thanks for having subscribed to the Munya Scripts lifestyle channel, and thank you for also seeing my music that is from Munya Scripts. And I also have another artist that is called Natural Counts or Natural Calamity, also a producer out there, hip hop artist that you should also check out on all streaming platforms. So today we are going to be looking at how to remove this error, because if you happen to do your movie or a video that you have edited in Premiere Pro, and that is Premiere Pro 2019, on trying to export, it brings this message, okay, where we are seeing error compiling movie error, render error, and render returned error, then writing with exporter H.264, writing to file G what that. Okay, so if you're out there and you're facing this same error, please, we have this method that we can use to avoid that. So we say okay, then we overgo this, then we go back here and get to project settings. Okay, then from there we click general. Then I tried to change this, so you change this from this GPU acceleration to Mature playback engine software only, so like that. Then you confirm with okay. Then after that confirming, you go back, okay, and click save as, then you save your project. Okay, so you save your project like that. Then because I'm saving my project in two names, so I go back, I click save as to avoid errors, because once maybe the software crashes when I'm in one name and it crashes, I can use the other name to recover it, because I have the same project renamed two times. So after that, I close the project. Okay, so like after setting that, you first close your project and reopen it again. Okay, are you saying I tried to yes, we go. So we close it again. Now are you saying I'm going to click here for it to reopen? So we reopen the project, and on reopening the project, we check to see, is everything well set? So it is basically launching, and I'm using 2019. That is Premiere Pro 2019. So after the project launching, then the next thing is we are going to go back to prove whether the settings we did put there are still there. So we open our recent project, the recently closed project, that was our project. So it is loading. So after the project loading, we go back. So after the project loading, we go back to our settings and see. Okay, project settings, then general. Then remember, this is the setting that we must have. Then we say okay. Then we go back to our settings and come here. Then we say export. So we are waiting for it to respond. Mine is a little bit slow. So for you, you may be having a stronger machine than mine. So we want to replace this one. Yes, because I had already saved something like this and it had started rendering, but after a while it stopped. So I replace the name. Then from there I go to video, then come sloping down, sloping down. We keep this there. So I believe it is okay now. We've set what we have to set and we are waiting for that to like happen. Because I'm not seeing anything required here. Now let us try it and see whether it does the working well. So we export it. So we are going to be seeing, does it complete? I will be showing you when it has completed. Thank you. Yes, we replace it. So now it starts rendering off.